Hi, Deborah.
Hi.
I thank you very much for doing this testimonial for Kempler Design. I wanted to ask you, we just installed the shades that we can see over your shoulder. What was your first reaction when you saw the shades go in?
They're just so beautiful, and the scene that you see is so beautiful with the surrounding the mountains, and it's just awesome.
Nice. Yeah, you have a great view from your home. As far as working with Kempler Design, how did you feel that the whole process went?
Really, really well. Very organized, very professional, very knowledgeable, very patient, teaching and showing us how to do it.
Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah, we spent a lot of time looking at this app and how to program it, and I was kind of counseling you guys on how to program your phones and tablets to do it, and you got the hang of it really quickly, which is great. Let me show them how it works. So for example, here, if we went to Sun Control Privacy, just tapped on it, we notice how the lower shades are lowering. And then if we went to Privacy, which allows for more views, here right there, we just tap on that, and the upper shades are all raising to the position that you like. So I thank you very much for your business, and your shades look great. In fact, I really like the color. What do you think about the color when you first saw it?
Perfect. Goes with everything, just exactly how we wanted it.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you very much for your testimonial. And
Oh, you're welcome.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.